friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Food Journey Pravas Swadatsa. Wishing you all a very happy Mahashivratri. May Lord Shiva shower his blessings on all of us. Since today is Mahashivratri, or many of us might be on fasting. So let's make some fasting recipe today. We'll make dosa, which you can have on a fasting day. For this we require 1 cup of samak. This we call as wari or bhagar also. 1 cup of sabudana. Both of this I have soaked overnight and now washed it thoroughly. Cumin seeds, jeera, chilies, green chilies, curd and salt for taste. So let's start with our recipe now. We'll add all our ingredients in a mixie jar and make a fine paste of it. Green chilies, salt, cumin, and 1 tablespoon of curd. We'll add some water to it and make a fine paste of it. Our dosa batter is ready. This is the dosa consistency which we require. If you eat coriander and curry leaves during fasting, you can also add chopped coriander and chopped curry leaves to this paste. So let's start making our dosas now. Our pan is nicely heated now. We'll add our dosa batter to it and just spread this. We'll add some oil, a little of oil to it. You can add ghee if you like ghee, and allow this dosa to cook for a while. We'll cook this on a medium flame for 1 or 2 minutes until it becomes crisp. You can see it's getting crisp now. We'll remove this. Same way we'll make the rest of the dosas. While our dosa is getting cooked, let's make our chutney. In a mixie jar, we'll add 1 cup of fresh coconut, some green chilies as per your taste, salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and we'll squeeze half a lemon to this. Again, if you eat coriander on fasting day, you can add coriander to this. Now we'll add some water to it and grind it. Our coconut chutney is ready. Our second dosa is also done now. We'll now make thali pet. This again you can have for your fasting. For this, I am going to take half a cup of water chestnut flour, that is singada atta, 1 medium boiled and smashed potato, half cup of soaked sabudana, salt, finely chopped green chilies, cumin seeds, zira, and some red chili flakes. Now we'll mix this by adding water and make a dough of it. We'll now add some crushed peanuts to this. You can even add peanuts powder to this, but coarsely roasted peanuts will give you a nutty, crunchy taste in between. We'll mix this well. I have taken this plastic paper, greased it with the oil. Now this bowl also I have greased it nicely with oil. We'll cover this and we'll pat this with the help of a plate so that it gets spread evenly. See, it's the perfect shape that we require. Now we'll remove this cover. We'll remove this and place it on pan. Our pan is heated now. We'll place our thali peet on this. We'll add some oil and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes from both the sides. While our thali peet is getting cooked, we'll make another one. We'll put some oil on this dough ball and place it on this. Again, we'll cover this with this plastic and then shape it with the help of this plate. The second one is also ready. Let's flip this now. See, it's getting cooked very nicely. We'll allow it to cook from other side also. It's nicely cooked from other sides also. Now we'll remove this. We'll cook the second one. We'll drizzle some oil and allow it to cook. It's done now. Our Upvaas special dosa and thali peet are ready now. Do let me know if you like this recipe. See you soon with another recipe, and thank you for watching this video till the end.